A shortage of ventilators at the Victoria Jubilee Hospital is being blamed for the death of a baby. The family is this evening seeking answers. Jamila Maitland reports.
What was supposed to be a regular visit to the Victoria Jubilee Hospital for one father quickly took an unfortunate turn. Shaquille McIntosh says when he left the hospital, his newborn daughter was strapped to tubes and was struggling to breathe. She was admitted because of medical complications.
Baby born the 21st of October at 11:12 p.m. and she died Friday gone they said they pronounced her 5:39. I was there at the hospital 1 o'clock on the 1 o'clock visit. I left there at 3. They wait until I left there, then they call me back at 5. Before I leave, my baby foot bottom and forehead was blue.
A video of the father describing the incident has been making rounds on social media. The popular jockey says he was notified by the doctors that the Victoria Jubilee Hospital did not have enough ventilators. Of note, the hospital is the largest prenatal facility in the English-speaking Caribbean.
They killed my baby because they watched my baby gap to death because they don't have the resource. They kept saying that I don't have the resource, I don't have the resource. They're holding on that word.
Senior medical officer at the Victoria Jubilee Hospital, Dr. Gareth McDonald, confirmed the hospital's 4 functional ventilators were all in use at the time. He says checks were made at the Bustamante Children's Hospital, but there were no available machines there either. Dr. McDonald revealed that the hospital is to receive 2 ventilators soon to improve its ability to treat critically ill babies. Additionally, he says more specialized nurses are needed to monitor neonatals. But the grieving father says the family is distraught and the child's mother traumatized. This was her first child. Mr. McIntosh is calling on the authorities to increase the level of resources in public hospitals to prevent similar tragedies.
I really want tomorrow when the next baby born and they need the ventilator, that baby can get a ventilator to live, to be the next Mark Golding, the next doctor, the next Archibald Gordon, the next Daly Harris, and you as well.
Meanwhile, Mr. McIntosh revealed that he signed papers authorizing the cremation of his daughter's remains, a decision he now regrets. He wants the hospital to delay the process pending an investigation. He, however, says he does not have the money for an independent examination of the body.
I am so
Jamila Maitland, TVJ News.